Let's say what's a piece of pretty from the I'm gonna say LMG with him now. From bed to floor to wall. Woman. You know, you're still man an absentee father. Yeah. Man, I'm warm. I don't know if it's let's see. Girl, I'm gonna call you back. Hold on. Oh, by the way, up your feet. So the money over the ceiling.
As what I say, I never mean it no way. And I never call you a thief. I just say, take up the juice and you never write it down.
Sounds like a thief to me.
No, Patsy. I just say, I thought you were.
Say it slowly. Say it to yourself and listen to it so I don't go.
You take the Gatorade and you not pay. Yet.
Boy, yes. Say it to me like a peer.
Patsy, you stressed the wrong point.
Well, on one point, I'm only stressing on my love. And it's so there.
Patsy, TMI.
Well, I mean, too much intercourse.
No, Patsy, it means too much information.
Yes, sir.
You're at the right place, son. Found it okay, I see.
Maybe not.
Come take a catch. So what have you found out?
Well, it seems like he might try to lock himself in the community. Because I see him do some site work too. A king bar.
Oh. Anybody else come to visit him?
No, sir.
You don't see him making any phone calls.
His phone is his best friend.
We need to know who he's calling. And what is strange, we've tracked through all our databases. I've spoken to our tech person, and he doesn't come up in any of our databases, which means one of the two things. He's either a ghost or somebody has gone out of their way to erase his past.
That was my suspicion of him too, because I did do some check as well.
We need to know his full name, even though I suspect he may be using an alias.
Yeah, I'm using him Mikey Titonia.
You say anything about any family?
He say him have an auntie live up the road.
And this individual hasn't shown any interest in Tonton. You have no woman around the place.
Yes, I'm still away.
Still away from what?
You apologize.
What me apologize for, Patsy?
So, well, on your slap is old time we have a conversation, you miss? You know, just come on, see.
We have go back this way?
Yes, we're going right back.
Patsy, me never call you a thief. Me not just tell that a while ago?
You never call me. You insinuate.
Patsy, me never insinuate nothing. I never that me come in here to come talk to you about. Anyways, what I want to talk to you about is me have a dancing class I come up, and I want to know if you can run the shop for me look more.
The thief? The Gatorade bandits? You want to wash the shop for you?